Hey guys, this is day 22 of my thesis 5 AirTool challenge, and today I found another AI assistant called LeadChat. And honestly, it feels like a lightweight and super fast version of ChatGPT. Let me show you. So first, go to any browser and look for LeadChat, and you can find this one. So chat Mistral.ai, and you can sign up. So once you're in, you can see the interface looks very similar to ChatGPT or any other AI assistant. Okay, let's start with one example. So I'll ask, give me five YouTube, yeah, maybe YouTube ideas about AI tools, and you can see it, and look how fast that response come back. Now there are so many chatbots, but lead chat is basically known for fast, lightweight, and good for general tasks. So you can use it for writing, brainstorming, research, coding. So we can see we have similar features. So we have a agent mode, we have intelligence where we can save memory, we have connector, we have library, and you can set up instruction. We also have a new project, and we also have a different modes. We have fast mode, work mode, and research mode as well. So it's very similar to other chatbots. And so here you can see you can upload a file. We have a library feature, we have a agent feature as well, we have connector where we can connect a different app like a good Gmail, Google Calendar, Outlook. So it's same like we did in a chat GPT. And we have a tool, so we can connect with other different tool like Canva, imagination, code interpreter, web search. We have workflow. So yeah, so basically, so lead chat is very similar to other AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini AI, or Cloud, but this one is very simple, and it's much faster than others. Lead chat also has a premium feature, so we can, if you want, you can just upgrade. So you just click, and so you can see with the free version you can do basic tasks like a chat, search, learn, and connect with a connector. And with a subscription we have a advanced feature available, so we can send more messages and web search. So 30 times more external thinking, 5 times more deep research report, up to 15 GB of document storage, up to 1000 project, and chat and email support. Now let's go back to chat, so and see like if, so honestly, I don't see any big difference in lead chat, but overall it's much faster than other chatbots. So yeah, you should definitely try it and let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next one with another AI tool.